All right, so today is a rainy day, so we can't work outside today, but we are at Menards. If you guys know this place, it's right next to Lowe's. So we come here to get some yard work supplies. We're getting some bags and some different things. All right, so I'm just walking around looking at the stuff here. And look, I found a coconut tree. Oh, it says a palm tree, but aren't those coconuts? Look at that. So wherever you guys are from, do you have a Menards by you? They have everything in the store. It's not just like tool stuff, it's for outdoor furniture. They actually sell food and stuff too, but it's huge. It goes beyond over there. If you're looking for anything outdoors, so it has it here. It also has tools, camping supplies. We got our chainsaws here before. Here's some nice, let's see what this is. Drawer-wide vertical gas smoker. That's pretty cool. This is all for fire. Put a fire in there, then you can cook your stuff. Keep it warm there. And this is all for like little fire pits. It's pretty cool. All different kind of grills. You stick a whole turkey in there or a chicken. You can put little wood. Looks like it doesn't take charcoal. That's pretty cool. This is what we used at Richie's when we would cook fish and stuff outside. All right, guys, another shopping day. Going grocery shopping again. It's a good day to do these things. It's raining. When it rains in the Philippines, it's not so bad because it's actually warm. Right now, that rain coming down is pretty cold. It's probably like 55 degrees right now. So it's a little bit chillier here. But we're at Meijer again. And go buy some stuff. Look at this, 40 bucks for some flowers. They do smell pretty nice though. You can get a little one for $12.99. All right, so I'm starting to notice things as I look closer that I never noticed before, but they do sell these mini bananas that they have, all over the Philippines. They're called minis here. Banana chips as well. Plantain bananas. Oh, the minis are 99 cents each. And these are kind of like the ones I like in the Philippines. And then here's the banana chips. And here's the regular bananas. And another thing I saw over here, mangoes, papaya, and pineapple. Dragon fruit. Oh, here's the coconut. So it's already split in half. There's no juice in there because, at least I think. Yeah, there is juice in there. So they do sell that here. Here's some mangoes. And that's dragon fruit. Papaya, look at the size of that. So they do sell those here. Ah, these too. Rambutan. These are popular in the Philippines. So here, they're $5.49. Mangoes are $1.09 each. So they must not sell them by the pound. Some they sell by the pound, and some they don't. All right. Florida passion fruit. All right, so guess what this is? Hopefully Richie's watching. This is an eggplant. So it's $1.19 a pound, and that is huge. We grow these in the Philippines at Richie's Lola's and other places, but they're not this big. That's so huge. Some green beans, asparagus. All right, this is the first time I've seen this. Look at this, banana leaves. Why do they sell banana leaves? Do you guys know out there? This is the first time I've noticed that they sell banana leaves here. So if you want to get some banana leaves, they're $1.99 a pound. Another thing we have in the Philippines is bitter melon, $3.99 a pound. All right, so I just finished getting everything. These are those canned chickens, some cereal, apples, banana, fruits, frozen fruits, pretty much basic stuff. Foam, shaving cream, deodorant, honey, raisins, razors, yogurt, milk, lactose free, some raw walnuts, but pretty basic stuff. Let's see how much this will cost. I got a few coupons, so I should be able to save a little bit. All right, so I added a few more things, some toothpaste and some toothbrushes. Let's see what the total is. All right, here's for today. Apples, yogurt, everything's in here. So all of that today, $152.96. All right, so we just got back from shopping. It's still raining. It's not coming down too hard, but it's just enough not to be able to do much outside. Nice gloomy day today, but we did need the rain. It's been so dusty out here doing the different kind of yard jobs. Let me go check out the creek, see how, if it's the water raised at all. So I just got back from dog sitting this morning, and then it hasn't really stopped raining, so there's not much else you can do today. Pretty fresh out here. The air's pretty nice. You can tell it's been so dry earlier. The last couple weeks, when you walk out here, you can just really smell the difference how dry it is. And when it's raining, the air quality is a lot better right now. That bump is, I thought it was like some kind of animal. Maybe it's some kind of mushroom. We used to get porcupines out here every once in a while. I haven't seen those in a really long time. That kind of looked like a small porcupine or some kind of hedgehog. Here it comes a little bit more. It's kind of nice walking out here in the rain. Comes and it goes. I don't see any deer out there. It's dark out here. It's gonna be dark earlier tonight with the clouds. It's not raining so bad, so I don't think the water is gonna raise that much. But sometimes when it rains a lot, this whole place is flooded. It did raise a little bit though. But before, in the past, this whole area was unwalkable because of all the rain. So you can't even pass this sometimes if it rains too hard. Right now, it's not so bad, but even the other day when I walked through here, you can tell a difference. Some frogs are jumping. So it really doesn't take a lot of rain to flood this area. If it rains all night, I bet tomorrow you will be able to tell even more of a difference. I'm gonna see if we can walk through here still. It's a little chilly, but really it's not too bad. If you're wet, if I didn't have the umbrella, I probably would be shivering a little bit. I wouldn't be surprised if we walk through here and a deer starts to run off. I can see a puddle right up here already. This is an old path. We have some wood we have to pick up back there. Eventually we're gonna make this another path again. We used to ride our three-wheelers back here. We had different paths. But anyway, look at this. This isn't so bad. I think I can make it around. But it doesn't take long. It's moving pretty good. And this isn't even a lot of rain. This is one of the deer paths that they walk through onto that way. So far we're making it through, but up here there's one more spot that I think that I might not be able to walk through. So you definitely can tell a difference. I was just down here the other day and there's a lot less rain. So it just takes a little bit more rain and all of this is flooded. You're not able to walk through here anymore. It's getting close. That's a big difference. So this is a pretty muddy area. You can see there's water right there, if you can see that. But with more rain, it connects from there to here, so all of this is water and you can't walk through here. So if I come back tomorrow, you probably won't be able to walk through here anymore if it keeps raining. But this is connected. This goes right out to the lake. And sometimes fish will come out here to lay eggs. And they'll swim upstream all the way up to here sometimes to lay their eggs. And if there's not enough water, they get stuck out here. Alright guys, that was kind of the one thing I wanted to come check out to see if you're able to walk through here anymore. Look at that. The water's right up to that old bridge. We used to have a bridge here, and that's right up to the top of it there. But alright guys, that was my day for today. Finished dog sitting, and then today I was going to do some yard work somewhere else, but it is raining. So we took the day to get some things at the store, supplies for the next yard job, some leaf bags, and then we did get some groceries. So, alright guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. I really don't mind the rain so much because we did need it. It's actually pretty relaxing. I'm probably going to go maybe drink some warm milk and just probably listen to the rain a little bit. Hopefully by tomorrow it should be clear. This is only supposed to be for like a couple days. Alright guys, hopefully you guys are doing well. Have a good day or night, and we'll see you guys next time.